Singing birds help you learn at the Pure Land. Why not create that relaxed environment here? Ideally, when we listen to talks on the Dharma, we set all tasks and distractions aside, sit down, and focus on the talks. But life is rarely ideal, if ever. With much to do at work and at home, and with distractions everywhere we turn, we rarely have optimal conditions to practice and learn. How do we find and dedicate the time we want and need to do both? We know that Buddha name chanting requires dedicated, focused time. Our learning, however, can be more flexible. We can take a hint from those who listen to the Dharma talks in the Pure Land. In that land, Amitabha Buddha has birds singing the Dharma because he understands that even beings who manage to attain birth there will find it easier to periodically take a more relaxed approach to learning. We can do the same. Integrate some of our learning into our daily tasks. Perhaps during our daily commute, or when doing routine tasks, wherever we find ourselves. Amitabha.